Okay, I don't think I'm going to be able to go through the smart tutor because for some fucking reason it makes the, that file makes the, or that thrust block, it makes the, I don't know, the computer unresponsive. I don't know what it's doing. But I'll probably find a tutor online about it. But in the meantime, I've been trying to figure these smart components out because I at least can use the test assembly. That that is supposed to be used with that thrust block. So, I've been trying to figure these components out, like some of the ball bearings and all that crap, and they do actually work, and I've figured, again, just like most smart components, who knows, they don't light up when you select them, so. I don't want to edit the part, I just want to fucking edit my damn definition for it. Oh, shit. I guess once you put one of these in here, you're screwed. Yeah, because there's really nothing I can do. I really don't want to edit it, I just want to edit the damn definition. I should be able to, assign part numbers, do something with it. Anyway, like I said, there needs to be some goddamn videos on this because these things are not self-explanatory and they are not simple. But like, let's take, for example, this sucker here. Okay, if you go edit it, it has a simplified view and a detailed view. So there's the difference, between just looking like a simple band and a detailed, whatever. And but this looks like the only time you can go change the sizes of it and everything else. I don't know why, but and then once you do that, it kind of fixes on that size for this selection. So, but like I said, that's a detailed view. Okay, you can see all the balls in it, just like these. I had to turn these, from simple to simplified, but you only got that one shot to do it because, like I said, after you insert one, there's no editing it, without going and editing the base part, and those are like read only typically. But you can't edit the fucking properties. Like I said, you can't say that. Oh, it worked. You can edit it. Okay, it just wasn't editing with the other more standard ways of doing things. Okay, let's try some of these I installed or inserted earlier, like this. Let's see if I can. You can't say edit part. That'll try to pull up the actual file. Edit feature will do the same thing. Okay, it'll do this on you. See? Okay, this does select over here. Okay, they say edit toolbox component, that works. So let's switch it over to detailed and see if that makes any difference. Okay, it still looks simplified to me. Okay, well at least these are showing up when I'm selecting them over there. Okay, yeah, that makes a difference. I guess that was just a simple part to begin with. I mean, same thing down here, you know. Like I said, that's a much more complicated part than this, as you can see there. Yeah, see, this does have little ball bearings in it, so it's got more detail. The size didn't only fits so well, obviously, but anyway, yeah, that's but so that's just what I'm saying. Oh, and another thing, you know, down here at the bottom of this list, you know, there are some manufacturers data, you know, like for nuts and bolts, pins, standoffs. Let's look at those. Cool. Regular. Oh yeah, yeah, you got your standard standoffs here. Cool. But anyway, you know, you do have, you know, quite a few different little, you know, manufacturers databases here, including more ball bearings and, you know, so forth. Let's see what these look like. Tails. Okay, yeah, those are perfect. So, you know, so it's pretty cool, but I mean, that's basically how they work. But I mean, again, you know, these little things like that are quirky, you know, because like I said, it keeps trying to edit the fucking file and everything, and, you know, you just got to go right click on it. But like I said, it, you know, it doesn't always highlight it over here. You know, that's the thing that drives me crazy. I don't know why it does that. I mean, you saw it earlier. I mean, it was highlighting it. Okay, it does it there. It only highlights it when you select certain parts of the surface. Like I said, if you turn your filter on, it works just fine. You know, that filter, I think, is something you're going to have to really get, you know, the hang of, especially on this program, because it just gets annoying as piss. Anyway, but that's about all I can do, you know, for this topic. I really can't, you know, I really can't go through this like I'd like, you know, because the file just drives me crazy trying to pull it up. It just, the computer just keeps stalling. So it's like it's performing a bunch of calculations or something, but, you know, I don't see any evidence of that on the meter. So anyway,